So as you saw right there, they showed us in the official trailer that liquifying is possible, but they didn't show you how to get there. So to save you 5 minutes of searching through the software itself, I'll show you right away. But fair warning, you do need Clip Studio 1.11.6. So go to the blend option and then you can see there's Liquify. And here are the types of Liquify, and I have a beautiful drawing over here and I can use this to demonstrate how it works. Maybe not that big of a brush size. So the types of liquifying we are all used to seeing, like enlarge or shrink. Whoa, that's nice. And then all kinds of stuff. So there's these. So this is the most common one, which is push. And there's strength and there's hardness. So pick and choose and do as you will with it. Yeah, that's about it. Just wanted to help you, someone out there who wants to liquify in Clip Studio. This kind of changes the game. It's the thing that's been on Photoshop for centuries and no one's bothered to put it elsewhere. So there it is. Enjoy. Have fun. Bye bye.